Black-capped chickadees have a diverse diet that varies with the seasons. During spring and summer, these little birds are primarily insectivores. They feast on caterpillars, spiders, beetles, and insect eggs and larvae. Their agile foraging skills help them capture these tiny creatures. As winter approaches, their diet shifts to include more plant-based food. They consume seeds and berries, especially when insects become scarce. Sunflower seeds are a favorite at bird feeders. They'll take them one at a time and stash them in bark crevices for later.